All right, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is Friday, so of course there won't be a lot of activity, but we do have movement in the current trades that we are in and the ones that were posted from earlier this week. That's why patience pays out a lot, man. Patience pays out. Even when the alerts are put out, you still have to wait on patience and price action to confirm the alerts that I do deliver. Okay, so first off, here on the pound USD, I caught a good entry about an hour ago on here. I caught an entry here. I took profit on this first drop. Entered on the second drop about an hour ago. As you see, that's in profit. Here on this USD CHF though, I did re-enter about an hour ago as well when the New York session began. As you see, we are still going through that zone that we took profit on last week. This blue zone here that played support and allowed us for another bullish run. So, with that being said, based on the trades that we analyzed and reviewed this week, I'm still in pound USD short. Euro USD, I'm not in that anymore. I am still in USD CHF, but again, it's Friday, so I'll be taking profit here very shortly. We look at the dollar, just as I predicted last week, we're still in this uptrend here on this dollar. Okay, now with this uptrend looking like that, I can visually see that we should be coming back up into this level here, up here at 98.1 on the daily time frame. Weekly time frame, that's a level of support or a level of resistance right in here. But as I said, long term, the dollar is definitely bullish. Long term, the dollar is definitely bullish here. Any questions? Anybody in any positions? Anybody in those specific positions? If you look at this harmonic I drew yesterday on the pound here, notice how it's playing out perfectly. The harmonic I drew yesterday with these triangles and the predictions. Now, look how aggressive pound is going to our TP. And look how aggressive the USD CHF is going up. Yeah, you can trade the dollar, but you won't really make any money trading the dollar. The dollar pays out pennies for real. So yeah, you can trade the dollar, but you won't get much. You won't get much love on the dollar trading it by itself. There was a lot of data that came out on the Japanese yen last night, so I'm not trading any yen pairs, but they are definitely headed down. I don't know if anybody remembers the analysis we did on was Friday, Thursday, on Tuesday here in this red box. Somebody had mentioned the sell, and I did confirm it. So as you see, if they stayed in that CHF sell, CHF JPY, they definitely got paid out. Same with USD JPY. Both of those JPY pairs definitely paid out for the bears. There we go, running in profit for the pound. So overall, I mean, we had some bumps this week, but we definitely recovered the best of our ability. So next week, all we can do is keep pushing forward. For anybody who took some losses this week, day in day out grind consistency is what's gonna make you what's gonna take you to success. So just stick with it. Good deal, Cam, because that's exactly why we're doing these live sessions over the next 60 days. Because things are really about to pick up in the next 6 months. So I'm trying to take this time to get everybody up to speed because I might not be as accessible. I'll be extremely busy. I have a couple professional traders coming in that I've trained in the past that I come in and we're gonna have live sessions daily and weekly. It just won't be me personally. CHFJPY, I'd go ahead and get ready to take profit on those JPY sales. Anybody in the JPY sales, I'd go ahead and get ready to take profit. Those are deep enough. Okay, good deal, Kip. So so yeah, by the time we finish this next six weeks or so, a lot of you guys will see tremendous improvement in your trading. Possibly, from the looks of things on this Bitcoin, it looks like we're headed up. Looks like we're gonna head up. Looks like this week is gonna definitely shoot up. So yes, I'll be buying Bitcoin this weekend. I'll be buying cryptos this weekend, ladies and gentlemen. I will be buying cryptos this weekend. So if you see a buy setup, it's likely a true buy setup. All right. So just to be clear, I am looking to buy crypto this weekend. We must confirm the setup. That's the only thing we're waiting on. A good setup today or tomorrow. Looks like we already had a great setup here. Would have been early this morning at the start of the New York session, or really the start of the London session this morning here. The start of the London session would have been a great buy. The TP for today, the ADR high is here. But if we look at the daily, if we hit this ADR high, and close, we could possibly be looking at this type of move. Okay. Now we can also check by using our Fibonacci. Here we have a complete swing to a complete swing, and there we have our Fibonacci for this current swing on the 4-hour chart of the Bitcoin. Now, as you see, it's definitely giving some positive levels with the fibs. Okay, so in my predictions, there's Bitcoin. There's Bitcoin's future over the next couple weeks. So, with that being said, we found the Fibonacci on the 4-hour chart. So all we're going to be doing here is looking for buys setups at each TP, conservative entry, or retrace level, looking for buy setups. All right, now here on the USD CHF, looks like it's going to give us another entry at this 45-minute candle. Looks like it's going to give us another entry. Oh, let me point something out to you guys. Something as far as this 4-hour chart. Right here, okay? When buying, the market makers are buying in bearish candles or buying at the completion of bearish candles. For example, right here, do you see this last 4-hour candle came crashing down? Immediately at the close and open, this next 4-hour candle came rushing up. When the market makers are entering for sales, they'll enter at the end of an extreme or an aggressive bullish candle, such as this one here. This candle here was very bullish. The next candle was completely bearish. Here on this candle, completely bearish. Next candle, completely bullish. Okay, so you'll see big candles like this. They're typically going to be railroads. And what I mean by railroads are candles that open and close simultaneously together. They take up the same space, all the way down, all the way right back up. You'll typically see those in the trend with your swings. No, you not get high than me. Ooh, the pound smacked that TP. I walked away for a second, came back to TP. Let's get money. As I was saying earlier, today's a Friday, so you know everything's gonna be dying out pretty soon. The moves that we do see are pretty steady. We won't see much of a reversal anywhere today, going in this late into the market. So with that being said, if anybody doesn't have any questions, I'll go ahead and post this video. If anybody wants me to go over any breakdown or anything, let me know before we wrap this up. I'm gonna go ahead and roll up my morning kush. I got a couple strands here today. Y'all pick one for me. I got Sour Dog, Candyland. I got Wedding Cake. I got Snowball 89. And I got Lemon Tree. You guys let me know which one I should smoke this morning. Again, that's Sour Dog, Candyland, Wedding Cake, Lemon Tree, and Snowball 89. What do I smoke today? Let me know. Let me know. What do I smoke or do I mix them all? Hell yeah, Candyland be hitting. When y'all come out here, we're gonna see you can smoke who under the table all better than what we got. You silly Darius. Yeah, I'm gonna mix them up. I'm gonna mix them up. But like I was saying, guys, if we did take a little bit of losses this week on the stop outs on the pound, but don't panic, don't worry, we're gonna stick with it and pull this shit on out. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and mix about point 0.2 from everything. This gonna be a fruity ass blunt to kick off the weekend. Hey man, let me know when y'all come out to Vegas too, man. I'll take y'all to the smoke shop and we'll smoke lounge and we get high as fuck together. I took a trip with me last week, put him on them dabs. Yeah, that USD JPY did point out that reversal. That really is the only reversal that I did see that could approach due to the fact that it is a USD leading pair and we're in the US market. So USD JPY is the only one that I mentioned that should be showing a bit of a reversal to the upside. But overall, did everybody have a good week? And by good week, I don't necessarily mean profitable. I mean, did you guys learn some shit? It's always better if you learned and made money, but as long as you learned, it was still a good week. So if you guys don't mind, who all had a good week? Oh, and in November, but I've been sober for damn near a year now. Oh man, I would have had you slumped, dog. I would have had you slumped. If you link with me, you getting high. You know what I'm saying? No ifs, ands, buts about it. If we meet, you'll be high. Yeah, everybody around me gets high. There's no way out. That's like in order to be in my presence, you gotta be high. Almost. Good deal, good deal. Now the social media platform will be ready before spring break. So we're right around March. We'll have the social media platform. We'll have our own Facebook for traders. Except it won't be called Facebook, of course. It'll be called the Currency Matrix. Okay, okay, Benny. I feel that. I feel that. Stay focused. Stay focused because they right around the corner. They are right around the corner, my brother. I hope this shit don't put me to sleep. I gotta run around and I gotta run all over the city today. So we gonna see what it do. Oh shit, I forgot I had a strand right here called Leroy. Uncle motherfucking Leroy. I forgot to put that one in here, but put that one by itself later on. In all honesty, I'll probably be getting out at the next 4 hour candle. The one that closes at 1. So in about another hour or so, I'll be looking to exit the market for the weekend. Right about 1 o'clock. Just a FYI, heads up. All right, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap things up. But like I did mention, you want to be out of your positions before 2 p.m. Eastern. I would recommend getting out at the next 4-hour candle, which is going to be at 1 p.m. Eastern. Either way, I would advise you to be out of the market before 4:30 p.m. 5 p.m. is the cutoff time, but give yourself some cushion. So definitely want to get out a little before that, so you don't get caught up. That's going to be 5 p.m. Eastern is the deadline today for the market closing. I'll likely be out of the market within the next hour or two before the next 4-hour candle closes at 1 p.m. Eastern. The trades are still moving in our favor, so just manage your risk. And if you're in profit and you're weary or unsure about taking profit, take profit. Okay, it's always best to secure the bag. No one should ever have to tell you, should I secure the bag? Yes, you should always secure the bag. And that's all, folks.